Wow!
Doctor, I am sick. Can you help me, doctor? Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah, Gereg is there. So what are we going to do today, Gereg?
Oh no!
What are we going to do today? Huh, Gereg?
Apple!
You can open the box. What do you call that box?
Not seeing that.
So say unboxing.
Not seeing.
Yep, unboxing. Okay, let me just put the camera down. So we are outside. Okay, let me just push your chair, huh? Open the box.
Whoa! It's cut?
Mm-hmm. Just go sit down. You excited?
I'm sorry.
You excited? I'm excited. Say, I'm excited. Okay, okay. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Almost, almost. Okay, let me see your surprise face first.
Wow!
Okay, another one, another surprise face.
Wow!
Okay.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa.
Oh, what do we have in there?
Oh!
So cool. What do we have in there? Okay, you just sit down and open it. Can you sit down and open it, please?
Okay.
Okay. Let's see what we have. Okay, okay. Okay, so it comes with this package. Oh, this is cool. See that?
This one.
Yeah. Okay, let's open this one. Okay, this is what we got today.
Apple.
Doctor set.
That's it.
Yep. So,
Help. Help me.
okay, you help? You need help?
Yeah. Help me.
Okay, mommy's gonna open it, okay?
Open it. I say.
Huh? What do you see inside? Oh, shake it.
I say.
So it comes with a, let me see. What are the doctor kit in here? It includes this case. What's the color of the case?
Guys.
What's the color of this case?
Blue.
Is it blue or green?
Green.
Green? It looks like a blue-green too, huh?
Blue. Green.
Yeah.
Blue.
It's green though, more of green.
Green.
Yep. So, one pair of scissors, one stethoscope, one thermometer, one reflex hammer, one mirror, one ear checker, one pair of tweezers, one tray, one syringe, and one pair of... Go open it. Go open it. Go sit down. Is that your... What is that?
Ew.
Wow. Okay, let's see. You ready?
Hawaii.
Okay, let's see. Open the case. So it's... Okay.
Okay.
So let's see what's inside.
Whoa.
Wow.
This
This one, you want to open it now?
one.
Wow. Take off the tape.
Oh no.
Oh, wet and windy, huh? Okay na, sige na. You want to open it or what?
Oh, and this.
Okay. Okay, open it. You need my help? You excited? Kind of cold, huh? You open it. Open, open, open. What you got?
Oh.
Wow, what is that?
That's this one. Which one? That's this one.
Doctor set.
Doctor set?
Yep. Do you know how to put it on your... Put it on. There you go.
That's right.
On your ear. Put it on your ear. There.
Help me.
So that's the stethoscope. You got the stethoscope in there, Langga.
That. What's that? What do you do? I stuck in a bag.
Okay, okay, go check the bear. Here's the bear. Are you sick, bear? Doctor, I am sick. Can you help me, doctor? Yeah. Wait. Okay. Yep. So we got that. So you have this stethoscope.
Hey, Raya.
Yeah. Maybe ano na including. Okay, this is... Oh, that's a thermometer. Yep, that's correct. Ear thermometer.
Help me. I'm sorry. I said
You check the ear of the bear.
Got the hair there.
Yeah. Oh, okay, so we got the reflex hammer. It's the reflex hammer. Yep. There's the one mirror. Yep, that's the mirror. Yep, yeah, that's what the dentist did to you, huh? Yep. This is the ear checker. Where's the ear checker? Can you hand me that ear checker? Ear checker? Yep, that's the ear checker. What you call that? Ear checker. That's the mirror. Yep, go check your own teeth, please. Twister. This is the twister. Twister. Yep. Okay. That's a tray. Wrench. I don't see a pair of tongs.
Don't say that.
Oh, this is the thermometer. Yep. So that's the thermometer. Case. So this is Gereg's patient today. Okay. The bear says. Doctor, I am sick.
Oh, sorry.
Doctor, I am sick.
I'm sick.
Can you help me, doctor?
I do.
What you doing with him? Okay, go check his breathing. Want to check his breathing?
Oh, whoa. Da, da. Phil. Say. Hey. Hey, say it. Phil. Hey, Mom. Okay? Yes. Here. It's. Here. It's. That. Oh.
You open it? Oh no! Oh wow, you play with Dr. Seuss!
A safe.
Hey, what you doing, Gereg? Go eat na.
Mommy did. Oh, mommy. Oh, mommy.
You gotta what?
Oh, mommy did. Oh, mommy.
Are you taking my picture?
Mommy did.
Yeah.
Mommy did.
Hi, Gereg.
Hi, Gereg. Okay.
Si Mami kapaligo. Wait, careful! Be careful! Hey! Don't drop it! You're gonna have your own camera tomorrow. You want your own camera?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, baby there. Baby.
What are you trying to do?
Mine.